In this video, we're going to focus on the width property where we create a decoration to control the width. And basically the width and the height are very identical, except with the width in this case here, the width is by default set on 100%. So you can see here, and this is the reason why here, even if we would remove the mobile view, you will see that this is still 100%. And we can control this. And this is a default setting, but we can control this by setting here and then indicate here whatever we need. For example, we need here the width of 50%. If we save this here, as you can see now, the width will adjust of the element 50% only. And of course, if we want to make sure that we have a full screen here, what we can do here, just in case, we can say here 100 VH for the screen view. And then here as well, the height would be 100 VH. If we do this and save this, now what happens is basically we're going to get this, and let's double check. And of course, why are we being restricted? We are restricted because of the minimum and maximum height. So if we save this and comment that out, save that, refresh, and now what you can see is we do have here, but of course we have still a parent which would control the other item of the height. So the reason why this is currently happening is because we only have here, this is the screen size. So basically what we see on the screen, as you can see here, the moment I go a little bit down, it starts to change in color. As you can see here, a little bit down you will start to see color. But the screen view here in the beginning is 100% specific color. And same with here. We can control it with that, or even we can reduce this here 50% of only the screen view. And if we do that, we are reducing this. And if we open up this here, we can start to see here. Oh, we need to refresh probably. And once we refresh, alright, that doesn't work completely, but that's alright. 500. If we do 50%, you will see here. This works. There you are. And of course, I realize there might be an issue because of the item here that we have. However, if you control here the width, you can control here 50% on. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.